Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're new to my channel, then please do consider hitting that subscribe button, guys. So yes guys, with all the chaos that's going on around and with every country that's going down into lockdown, we have no clue when the situation is gonna get normal, and we have no clue how many days this is gonna last. All we can just do is that sit and hope that this chaos around will end soon. So during this time of quarantine, just to stay safe, all we can do is just stay at home, and this is the only way where we can normalize the curve. I know it's pretty boring to stay at home, and with all that media and news that we are consuming daily, it's going to lead to more stress and anxiety and panic. So to just stay calm and to get rid of that stress, there are many things that we can sit at home and do. So we're going to talk about those in this video. Firstly, I want to say, guys, don't consume too much of media 24/7. Don't just watch only this news that's going on around, and also that, because that's going to add actually to a lot more stress. So to get rid of that stress, all you can do is that put your mind busy and just put yourself busy during this time. So the first and foremost thing is that reading books. So if you have like a habit of reading, or if you are into reading good books, then just like read. Be it like fictional or self-help books, any positive books, just like read books. So yeah, I am like mostly personally into like self-help and like positive self-help books. So currently I'm actually reading Ikigai. I absolutely love that book. You know, it's like more into doing like what you love and loving what you do. So it's finding your ikigai, so finding what you're passionate about, finding your happiness. So just like read that book, guys. It's so positive. It just like gives like really happy and like positive vibes. Again, I also like read The Inner Engineering by Sadhguru. It's again a very, you know, like super helpful, positive book again. So again, I'll be leaving all my positive self-help book recommendations down there in the description box below. Robin Sharma's books are really like you know, like very good for self-help. So I will be linking my favorite Robin Sharma books down there in the description box below. So if you guys want to check my favorite book recommendations, you can just check the description box. If you love painting, or if you just want to try something like therapeutic, then you can actually try coloring books also. You can just like order them from Amazon, or you can just like buy them like anywhere. You can like Target or some places like that. You can just like get them. So the coloring books are like so therapeutic. Like right now you also have got like coloring apps as well. So in case if you don't want to buy a book, you can actually, you know, like do it from the apps. So in case if you actually don't want to purchase the novels, you know, that's completely all right. Like, you know, right now savings are also like equally like, actually not equally, they're like very important. So in case if you don't want to purchase some books, then you can try ebooks. So if you can't find ebooks, or if you have to pay for ebooks, then you can also try, you know, like finding PDFs. Right now we have got like free downloads for many books out there in form of like PDFs. You can just like download them for free from Google, and you can just like read them. Experiment with cooking, guys. Try different dishes. YouTube is actually a super good platform now. You can YouTube anything, everything, and you can learn anything from YouTube. It's free, and you can learn anything from free of cost. So if you want to learn baking, if you want to start baking cookies, cakes, just YouTube it and you can learn now. So if you want to try pastas, or you know, like different spaghetti dishes, whatever, Italian, any different cuisines, just like YouTube them and you can learn now. So just use YouTube. It's a savior. If you guys actually want to try some healthy recipes, are a little health conscious with your you know, like food, and want to try some healthy diet, then you can try this you know, like YouTube channel called like Fit Men Cook. So my personal trainer, my gym trainer, has actually introduced me to this channel. I tried his recipes, and oh my god, guys, they are so delicious. So check his channel. I'll be leaving that in the description box below, the link to his channel. So the recipes are like super easy, and they are like very delicious. We cannot go and hit gym now, and we cannot go out for walking, but that's not gonna stop us from working out. So all we can do is just like stay at home and start doing some home workouts. Maybe if you are not into workout, just take this time and make a habit of working out every 30 minutes a day. Spend some time like 30 minutes a day to work out daily. So you can check channels like Chloe Ting workouts, Amy Wong workouts, and Lucy Windham workouts. I'll be leaving again the channels in the description box below. So my trainer actually introduced me to these channels as well. So these are like super good channels when you want to start like home workouts. So maybe like first you can just like start doing like 30 minutes workout, and then you can slowly increase it to like 45 minutes per day and like more if you want to. In every of these channels you have also got like specific targeted exercises as well, like if you want to slim your thighs or like get abs, so you have like the targeted workouts as well. You can also do that. Some workouts are like super intensive and some are like very beginner friendly, but basically you don't need like any weights for these workouts. So these are something that you can just like do at home. Even if you're a beginner, trust me, you can do these. So I have like started working out from a couple of months. Especially I'm actually looking for the Amy Wong workouts, and I absolutely love her workouts. So in case if you're not into workouts, then you can also do like at home walking. So there are like many channels which are actually doing like at home walking workouts. So if you are into walking, then you can try those workouts. And if you are like a fan of like doing Zumba or like doing like dance basically, so you can actually do some Bollywood Zumba at home. Again, you can YouTube that. There are like many Bollywood Zumba workouts on YouTube. So just like spend some 30 minutes a day for working out. So that will also like help to relax your mind and as a stress buster. In case if you're not into exercising, you can do yoga or meditating as well. Again, for these you can just like YouTube. You can find anything on YouTube. So another thing that we can do is just like FaceTime your family and friends. Right now, we aren't in a situation to give that warm hugs to our family and like friends, but we can do it virtually. Just like video call your family, your friends, or like your cousins, or you can also do like group calls now. So just like join a group call and talk to all of your family members together. Just like have a good, happy convo. But again, here guys, don't talk again like too much about the outside situation that's going on. Don't talk much about the chaos that's going on outside in this conversation. Just put that conversation happy. Make like a happy conversation. So in that way, it's gonna like not lead to any excess panic and stress. So another thing that you can do to keep yourself busy is play fun games. So you can actually play puzzle games to just put your mind busy and just to give some exercise to your mind. You can play some puzzle games or just like solve some puzzles, or in case if you if you aren't fan of like puzzles, you can just like play some card games or like board games with your friends or like family. Or in case if you don't have like your family around you, then you can actually play virtually. You can just like play some group games like 8-ball pool, Ludo. You can just like ask your friends to join, your cousins to join, and you can just like play them as a group. I don't want to talk like much about PUBG, but if you want to play that, you can do that too. So yeah, you can just like play Ludo and things like that in group. Also, you can actually play cards as well, which is actually my favorite game. Me and my husband are actually playing like cards. So, and we are also like playing the phone games as well. So in case if you love playing games on your phone, you can do that. So me and my husband are actually playing games on our phone, and we are keeping an eye on who's scoring the best. Another super important, like productive thing that you can do by just sitting at home is that learn a new activity or learn something that you are passionate about. So YouTube is actually a savior, guys. You can learn anything from YouTube. So in case if you want to learn dancing, do it. If you want to learn singing, do it. Instrument, do it. In case if you want to learn makeup, just put on some makeup and like beauty tutorials on YouTube. Try those looks on yourself. Try creating those looks on yourself and just like learn some makeup techniques if you want to. And in case if you want to learn a new language, you can do that on YouTube or just like Google them. And in case if you want to learn, like something like editing, you can do that. You can learn photography through YouTube. There are like many things that you can just like learn and learn from YouTube, just like watch videos and learn. So just like try this time to cultivate your passion and to pursue your passion and learn something new and getting more creative. So yeah, another creative and productive thing that you can do right now is start blogging or YouTubing if you have a passion for it. So yeah, in case if you are actually planning to start a YouTube channel since long and if you haven't already, then right now is the time to start your YouTube channel, guys. So if you have a passion for cooking and want to start a cooking channel, just like do it. If you want to start a makeup channel, do it. And in case if you just want to do some daily vlogs, just like vlog your daily life or want to become a vlogger, just vlog, start vlogging now. Or if you just want to do some, spread some happy vibes out there and do some motivational talking content, just like start it. Just like start whatever you want to do with your YouTube channel if you have a plan of doing it and if you have a passion for what you're gonna do on YouTube. Just like start your YouTube channel. If at all, if you have like that passion for writing and if you want to start a blog, then just right now start blogging. So if you love writing about like product reviews, if you love writing about like recipes, share your recipes on a blog, or if you want to share some like fashion tips and OOTDs, just like do that on your blogs. Or just like you want to write something, be it like a journal or some random topic that you want to talk about, just like start blogging, guys. So blogging is actually free, guys. I mean, there's also like paid blogging as well, but initially if you want to start it for free, then you can do that because WordPress offers free blogging as well. If at all you want to take it like seriously, and then you can put some money into it and buy your domain, so you can do that. But initially you can start it with for free on WordPress. So if you have a passion for writing, then start blogging. So yeah, another important therapeutic thing that you can also do is declutter and organize your home. So maybe you want to organize or like declutter your wardrobe or your makeup or like beauty room, or just in general your house, like declutter the things, and you want to organize your living room, anything, just like just do that. Clean your house now and spend some time to clean and organize your house. So because like cleaning and organizing is like so therapeutic, guys, so you can just like do that to get rid of that stress. So right now we aren't in a situation to go to a parlor and get that manicure, pedicure and like waxings done. So all we can do is just like sit at home and try some DIY face masks, DIY hand masks, DIY manicures, like hair masks, like whatever you want to do some DIY. So even if it's like a minute thing of like putting that your favorite color of like nail paint, just do that. Even if it's just like putting that sheet mask on, just do it, because that's so therapeutic. So it's gonna give like a lot of like mind relaxation. So take some time to pamper yourself. And apart from all of this, you can binge watch dramas and movies on Netflix and Amazon Prime. Or you can also, like if you are a fan of like Korean dramas, just like as I do, I love watching Korean dramas, you can try Rakuten Wiki. So that's like a free subscription. So you can watch all the Korean dramas there. I love watching Korean dramas, guys. My favorite is like Crash Landing on You. Obsessed with it, like so much obsessed with it. So I am so much into the Korean dramas. So yeah, you can try that free subscription as well to watch Korean dramas. And most importantly, guys, stay home and stay safe. If you have got like any tips or things to do during this time of quarantine, share them below. I would love to hear from you guys as well. And also YouTube is like so therapeutic to me, guys. I want to do more content on my YouTube now, because in that way I can put myself busy and I can stay connected with you guys and stay connected with the like-minded people out there. So yeah, I hope you guys will like this video. In case if you do so, then please don't forget to give this video a like, share and comment down below. And also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content on my channel. And also do follow me on my Instagram for more makeup and beauty videos on my IGTV. We'll be leaving the direct link in the description box below. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.